It's not Christmas without the reindeer, so today I'm making reindeer cookies. Hi, I'm Leslie from Leslie's Cookies and Treats, but before we get started, hey, do you know I also teach online cookie decorating classes? Join me this year and wow Santa with homemade holiday cookies. Following step-by-step video tutorials, you'll learn everything you need to know to make cute cookies just like these and have an unforgettable treat for Santa this year. Find out more details in the description. But now back to our cute reindeer cookies. So grab your reindeer cookies and decorate along with me. If you want this cutter, you can get the STL file at my website at www.l-treats.com. And we're just going to start by outlining and flooding in a half circle at the top of the cookie for the top part of his head, and then use our scribe to settle that icing down. We'll let that dry until the icing crusts over, which for me is about 10 minutes, and then go ahead and outline and flood in the bottom half of the face, using your scribe to settle your icing down and get it out to the edges. And then moving back up to the top of the cookie, I'm going to go ahead and do his antlers. I'm using a darker brown color, and I have a much thicker consistency icing. And you can either leave it kind of rough like this or use your scribe to try to settle it down. I kind of wish I would have left it with a rough looking texture, but I did use my scribe and poke at it and jiggle it to settle it down. And then moving down to his ears, just kind of add a little teardrop shape for his ears, pulling it to a point at the outside edge. And it's very helpful to use your scribe to shape it. And then let the cookie dry and then come back in once it's crusted over and add a big red nose if you want your reindeer to have a red nose. Otherwise, you could do a black nose or a dark brown nose. It's up to you. And then I used my white icing to give it a little highlight and my black icing to add a couple of eyes. And then once the cookie had dried completely, I used an edible marker to give him a sassy little mouth. And then this little reindeer mini cookie is done. This is perfect for putting in advent calendars or leaving out on a plate for Santa. I hope you enjoyed this video. I thank you so much for watching. Please do me a favor and help me out by hitting that like and subscribe button for more cookie tutorials all the time.